Google AI Studio introduces Gemini API updates. Discover new production-ready Gemini models and reduced pricing for Gemini 1.5 Pro. Rate limits have been increased for better performance. Dive into the prompt gallery for inspiration. Experience audio diarization for transcribing audio with speaker details. Explore video Q&A for key details in videos. Convert images into recipes with the Recipe to JSON feature. Generate math worksheets for educational purposes. Participate in a scavenger hunt with curated concepts. Add unit tests for Python functions. Solve geometry problems with image inputs. Get trip recommendations from unorganized text. Identify time complexity and optimize functions. Create a web page with a possum search. Generate custom recipes from photos. Identify objects and their uses from images. Craft marketing copy for your products. List items from photos. Chart hurricanes from image snapshots. Create unique blog posts from images. Order coffee drinks with Barista Bot. Generate a confusion matrix for your classifier. Analyze the sentiment of text messages. Understand research paper methodologies. Guess the next shape in a series. Care for plants with expert advice. Write Docker scripts for environment setup. Extract brands and products from text. Get recipe ideas from ingredient photos. Brainstorm game character designs. Modify writing styles. Convert natural language to regex constructs.